Hello ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so now we're looking at example 2. So I'm going to put a Cartesian plane here. And we're going to start thinking about the question. The question says, determine the equation of a straight line passing through the point -3, -4. So we'll make that -3, -4. That's your point. And it's going to have a direction vector that's going through 3, 5. So let's pretend that that's about here. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to find the equation of a line that is perpendicular to this, passing through this, and it might look something like that. And we're supposed to do this using the dot product. Now I'm going to do this question 3 different ways. And this is one of the methods, and it's interesting, and let's follow it through. So, using the dot product, I'm going to start off by saying, let Q be any other point on the line we want. And in fact, I'm going to go farther. I'm going to call it Q, X, Y. Okay, that now means that this Q represents any other point on this line other than that one. So my direction vector for the line would equal PQ. So in other words, that would represent a direction vector for the line. So therefore, PQ is going to equal X, Y minus 3x minus -4, which is, that's an awful looking Q, which is X plus 3 and Y plus 4. Now, if that's my direction vector, and if I know that this is my normal vector, and if I've been told that I have to use the dot product to be able to determine X and Y's, because I want it in AX plus BY plus C form, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set because we know that's by definition of the dot product. So now you've got make sure you're using the normal and not the point. So this is going to be 3x plus 9 plus 5y plus 20 equals 0. So now anything that satisfies this works. Anything at all. So I'm going to choose, let's try x equals 3 and y equals 4. So what I'm going to do is, therefore, 3, 4 will lie on our line. Which means, if it lies on our line, let's see, what do I want to do now? That's going to lie on your line. What am I after? Determine the equation of the line that lies through the express your answer in AX plus BY plus C form. Well, to be honest with you, I didn't need to go this far. There it is. This equation of the line is being expressed. What am I doing here? This should be a AX plus BY plus C is in the form 3x plus 5y plus 29 equals 0. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C, and since we allowed x to be any point on this line, they represent any coordinates on this line as well. So we are good to go. That's it. That's all she wrote. Cool. All right, we'll come back with the same question, but doing it a different way.